Hi everyone, it's about 5:30 and this is just a real quick update on the gold which we added to today down at $1.06 on the options, which closed around $1.60. But what I'm going to point out to you is the same thing that I pointed out in Sunday night's market letter um, video, and that is that this commodity has gone through consolidations, run ups, pullbacks, starting back up after a test of the prior breakout, slight new high, this huge sell off, which was actually more market driven because it was forced liquidation for margin calls, and a consolidation here, and the run right back up to this area around 1700. We then came back down to the prior breakout right here, tested it, and started right back up, made another new high, came back down right into here, consolidated for a couple of days, turned and made a new high, followed by yet another consolidation and test, same area, and a move back up into the same basic pattern that we've seen before, and came back down and tested that breakout at 1700 and started back up. Now, this chart is going to show you what is the open outcry close, which was 1713.40, and that's the way that they settle their prices at the end of the day. And the actual open outcry market ends at 2:30. However, as you can see from, let's see what time it was here, 2:20. So we closed right in this area. And then after the close, based on Mr. Powell's comments and the fact that the Fed continues to flood the market with money, there will be inflation. And because of that, as you can see, we rallied all the way through again. And while there is a little bit of a downtrend that I pointed out in the daily, if we get through that, it's that downtrend line. If we get through that at 1750, my guess is we're going to test 1780 to 1800. The point being that this has been very reliable. Fundamentally, it's been very strong. Central banks are continuing to buy gold. And more importantly than the central banks, there is a huge shortage of physical gold. If you go on any of the websites of the places that sell the Canadian loonie or the Australian coin or any of our coins, you will see that for any size in this market, the quoted price for cash purchases is close to $2,000 an ounce. So we're going to stay long. The people who got in today, that's great. They were all new subscribers. The other subscribers who got in yesterday at $1.37 added to their positions today at $1.06. And as I said, we closed around $1.60. Have a good evening, and I'll do my closing commentary in a little while.